Ulat ka Jylla ula ai ka jingmynjur ya ka amendment jong ka Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council rules thep kum ka AD rules ka khang ki bar Jylla bakin iashimbynta kum ki kyrtong ni thep vote ha ka election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ni GHADC yakani la pentikna do menteri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma lingba ka rinsan social media X kene gajing ajing menjur ulat kene gajing kot iki bar Jylla banyo bsuh khlieh ha GHADC kum ki MDC bat kum juru ban long ki nong thep vote ha ki election ka council kabala urlong hadin hinyo pusaus nem ka jingdawa jong ki pat Garo kedua bar kerpang jong ka GHADC kabalong hinin ka simbalang kalawan ra ya ka amendment ban kala ya ka AD rules bat ka ying dorbar dakawai ka sur kala ai ya ka jingmynjur Kadkum kani ka amendment lapan longkong san baki kyrtong ki bakwa ya khun ya ka election GHADC kiri bandon ya ka sirnot scheduled tribe ka bamut batang ki riulum ki nyo ya khun ya ka election ni ban thep vote ka badiru ka jingkut ya ki bar Jylla kani ka amendment kala jia hadin ka jingklumar bat ka jing kan at phejat bin riu ka balami na ka jing pursha ya ki bar Jylla bakin ya khun bat thep vote ha ka election GHADC Namar kani ka sarkar kala haban pinkin ria ka election ka bala bu banlong ha ka shipau tarik uyayong bat hadin kala rai ban pinjlan ya ka samoy trekam ka council sa hinriu benai ban ai lat ya ka executive committee bat thamai bakan wanra ya ki jingpin kala ya ka AD rules katkum ka jingkwa upajba
And this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people, but for past 74 years none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision, and I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast, and hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and in harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region forward.